Good morning, children. Our today's topic is continuity and differentiability. I am going to teach differentiability because if Adila teacher has completed second chapter, she has to take sixth chapter. For taking sixth chapter, you should know differentiability. So I am going to teach you differentiability, and let us know what is differentiability. Let y is equal to fx is a function in x. Its derivative is equal to, listen, f dash x, y is equal to fx is a function in x. Its derivative is f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 of f of x plus h minus fx divided by h. This is the derivative of a function in x. The symbol we used, f dash x or y dash or dy by dx. dy by dx means the derivative of y. Here y is fx. Derivative of y with respect to x. dy by dx. The symbol for the derivative is f dash x or y dash or dy by dx. So suppose if we take we have to find the derivative of u. It is u dash or du. It is in with respect to x, du by dx, or v. The derivative of v is v dash or dv by dx. Now, rules for algebraic derivatives. One, to find the derivative of sum or difference of two functions. Find the derivative of sum or difference of two functions is equal to, we find the derivative of each one. Derivative of u plus derivative of v. In other words, d by dx of u plus v is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. d by dx of u plus v. U plus or minus v, put here plus or minus. U plus or minus v dash, derivative of u plus or minus v. First we find the derivative of u, then plus or minus derivative of v. In another form, d by dx of u plus or minus v is equal to du by dx plus or minus dv by dx. Second one, to find the derivative of product of two functions is equal to first function u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. The derivative of product of two functions is equal to two functions. Our functions are u and v. U into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. In d by dx form, d by dx of uv is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. In another form, or d by dx of uv is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Third one, quotient of two functions. Derivative of quotient of two functions is equal to, in numerator, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator whole divided by denominator square. Denominator square. Here denominator is v. V square upon v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v. In d by dx of u by v is equal to v square upon v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. v into u dash, derivative of u is du by dx, minus u into derivative of v is dv by dx, by denominator square, v square. This is rules for algebraic derivative, sum, product, quotient. Then we have some standard results. That results you study by heart. For doing problems, these results you study by heart. First one, standard results. One, d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n x raised to n minus 1. D by dx of x raised to n is equal to n x raised to n minus 1. Example, d by dx of, or question find the derivative of x raised to 7. In here x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. Here in place of n, here 7. So 7 x raised to 7 minus 1 is equal to 7 x raised to 6. So d by dx of x raised to 7 is equal to 7 x raised to 7 minus 1. If it is x raised to 5, 5 x raised to 5 minus 1 equals 5 x raised to 4. If it is x raised to minus 5, minus 5 x raised to minus 5 minus 1 equals minus 5 x raised to minus 6, or minus 5 divided by x raised to 6. It is the derivative of x raised to minus 5. Then our second result, you study by heart this one, d by dx of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. Then second, d by dx of sin x, derivative of sin x. This is standard result. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Example, d by dx of 2 sin x equals 2, common constant 2 into, what is derivative of sin x? Derivative of sin x is cos x. So 2 into cos x. This is the derivative of 2 sin x. 2 constant that take outside. Then derivative of sin x is from standard result cos x. Then third result is d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. D by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Example, d by dx of 4 cos x equals 4. What is the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. 4 into minus sin x, that is equal to minus 4 sin x. 4 into sin x is minus 4 sin x. Then fourth result is d by dx of tan x is equal to sec square x. D by dx of tan x is equal to sec square x. Example, find d by dx of 8 tan x equals 8 into, what is the derivative of tan x? Sec square x. 8 into sec square x is equal to 8 sec square x. Lesson standard result, d by dx of x raised to n, n x raised to n minus 1. D by dx of sin x, cos x. D by dx of cos x minus sin x. D by dx of tan x, sec square x. You study by heart these 4 results. Now listen, question 1. Find d by dx of 7x raised to 5, or find the derivative in another way. Find the derivative of y is equal to 7x raised to 5. d by dx of, that means d by dx of 7x raised to 5 is equal to 7 into x raised to n x raised to n minus 1. 5 x raised to 5 minus 1 equals 7 into 5, 35 x raised to 4. Then second question, d by dx or y is equal to minus 10 x raised to minus 4. Second question is y is equal to minus 10 x raised to 4. dy by dx is equal to, or d by dx of minus 10 x raised to minus 4 is equal to minus 10 into minus 4 x raised to minus 4 minus 1 equals minus 10 into minus 4 is 40 into x raised to minus 5 equals 40 divided by x raised to 5. Then third question, y is equal to 7x plus 1. d by dx of 7x plus 1 is equal to 7 into x means x raised to 1. So 1 x raised to 1 minus 1. In place of n, 1. And here minus 1 is already in the equation. 7 into 1 into x raised to 1 minus 1 plus then 1. 1 means here is no x there. 1 means 1 into x raised to 0. X raised to 0. 0 into x raised to 0 minus 1 is 0. So derivative of 1 is 0. So 7 into 1 into x raised to 1 minus 1 is x raised to 0 plus 0 equals 7 into 1 into x raised to 0 is 1 plus 0 is equal to 0. 7 into 1 into 1, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. So, derivative of 7x plus 1 is 7. Then 4, d by dx of 7x minus cos x equals 7 into, what is derivative of x? X is 1. 7 into 1 minus cos x. What is derivative of cos x? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So 7 plus sin x. Answer is 7 plus sin x. Question 5. Y is equal to 6x square plus tan x equals d by dx of 6x square plus tan x is equal to, first 6 into x square. Derivative of x square is 2 x raised to 2 minus 1 plus tan x. Derivative of tan x from fundamental standard result sec square x. So 6 into 2, 12. X raised to 2 minus 1 is x raised to 1 is x plus sec square x. Next question 6. Y is equal to minus 15 by x square plus 2x. d by dx of minus 15 by x square plus 2x is equal to minus 15 into x square in power form x raised to minus 2 plus 2x equals minus 15 into minus 2 x raised to minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 into derivative of x is 1 equals minus 15 into 2, 30 x raised to minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 plus 2 equals 30 x raised to minus 3 goes to denominator 30 by x cube plus 2. 30 by x cube plus 2 The question for homework: differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x, or find the derivative. Question 1 is minus 15x cube plus sin x. Question 2 is minus 3 by x raised to 4 minus 2 by x cube. Question 3, 6 tan x minus x square. Question 4, 7 cos x minus sin x. Thank you.